Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are at PappaRich. So we are going to check out this place as I haven't actually been to PappaRich. This is the outlet at Park Street. You have ample parking outside, so you don't have to worry about it or your safety regarding your vehicle. So this is the inside of it. You get two type of seating, lounge style and also the regular tables. This is where all the magic happens. Let's start ordering the food. Okay, so this is a unique way of ordering, guys. This is how most of the restaurants in Malaysia do take orders. So PappaRich is also following that. So on the top you see 23 there, that's the table number, and the next box is to put the number of packs there, and then you start ordering. Each picture has a code, and you just write the code on the first column with the quantity you require, and if any special remarks, say you're allergic to something or you want it extra hot or something of that sort. Just want to mention something. I have this whole menu at the end of this video, so don't worry, do keep watching or skip to that part if you want to see what PappaRich offers. The full menu is out there, but don't take the prices into consideration, as the prices have changed. So they have a separate QR with the updated prices. So this was our final order. So this was the first dish we got. It didn't take a long time. The service was good, I have to say, and the time where they brought the food from the moment we ordered was also less than 20 minutes. So this was a sambal omelette, which I don't know if it was really Malaysian. This was the next dish. I will come to it later, so let me talk about the omelette first. So as you can see, it's just a regular omelette with some sprouts in it, so I really didn't get the sambal taste. So for me it's more like a 5 out of 10. This was the best iced Milo I've had in a while, so definitely very close to the Malaysian iced Milo, the famous teh tarik from Malaysia again. The next one was nasi lemak. So this was a nasi lemak with sambal prawns and curry chicken. So there you see the curry chicken over there, prawns, the sprouts, the sambal, the nuts over here, and the egg and some garnish. So this was definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. It took me to KL from the moment it was kept on the table. So the aroma, the taste, everything was quite similar, and definitely a must try if you're at PappaRich, guys. So there you go. This is the dish you saw earlier, the famous roti, curry chicken. There was a lentil sort of thing and some sambar. So this was also good, but for me the nasi lemak was the dish to choose from what we had. So that's it, guys. So that's the whole review of what we had. This is a menu and it will follow everything, the details you require, but please ignore the prices. They will give you an updated QR code when you visit the restaurant, or just call them and they will help you out if you want to know the prices. But I have put the final bill for you to get an understanding of how much it will cost for two people to have a proper meal there, so that you will have a basic understanding before going. So thank you again, guys, for all the love and support shown right throughout. Really appreciate it. And if you have any questions regarding this video, comment down below, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and also comment any of your questions. If you want to get in touch with me, write to me on my email or just DM me on Instagram. It's thelankanfoodie. So I will see you guys soon with a better vlog, a longer one, and maybe something interesting, because I have some new plans for the upcoming month. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon with another video.